Hi there, Charlie Kuhn, Senior Specialist here at Worldwide Auctioneers, and I'm standing next to one of the stars of the show. It's the 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing. It's a fabulous car. Tony Hulman, the former owner of the Indianapolis 500 Speedway, actually purchased this car for $10,000 in 1973, and then it resided in the Indy 500 Foundation Museum just until recently. The staff at the museum performed a comprehensive restoration on it 10 or 12 years ago. The car still retains its original engine, gearbox, belly pans. It's the only 300SL Gullwing painted in Mittelgrün, which is that shade of green you see behind me. Destination Auburn, Indiana. Get your hotel reservations made, your dinner reservations. We'll see you here in Auburn, Indiana. We can't wait.